meetup right now is to celebrate also the first year of the Next Gen 4 Territory Owners Club Philippines. It's good to know that there are new faces with also for those new members to see the admins and the moderators itself. So it's really a good feeling that there's this kind of events to mingle with fellow owners.
Being in this community, it's very helpful, basically for everyone, not only for me, because we learn from each other, we help each other know what are the basic traits and functions of the territory.
Yung pagiging part ng Next Gen 4 Territory now is like being a family na hindi mo sila kilala pero nakaka-relate ka sa lahat ng pinagdadaanan nila about cars.
So, as a territory owner or an owner of a car in general, I do have a lot of questions regarding on how to maintain our car or if I have any problems. And one good thing about the community is they just support each other. If they have any questions, they just send a message in our group chat and then any one of the members can answer it.
Sa akin, ang pinaka-biggest selling point nitong territory is yung space. Yung space sa likod, you can fit 4 people, walang problema, maluwang sila, hindi nahihirapan. Yung driving pleasure andun din. It's really agile, it's fast.
With Ford Territory, araw-araw naman namin ginagamit. From school ng mga pamangkin ko, nag-drive lang ako. Sobrang enjoy sila with Ford Territory. And also, papunta sa business namin, from Tagaytay to San Pedro. Hindi pagod, okay lang, na kahit mag-drive ako nung medyo malayo at medyo traffic.
So, as a first-time car owner, actually this is my first car. One thing that I really wanted or I was really trying to find is something that has sensors all around. And even though I only got the Territory Titanium, it's more than enough of my daily needs. It already has the 360 camera and then sensors all around. So it's really, really good for me.
For the territory, really, I'm really happy. I'm very, very happy owning one. It's a very nice car. It's a looker, basically. Wherever you go, people tend to look at it. Pag park mo pa lang, uy, bagong territory. So ganun yung dating eh. So maganda talaga siya. Hindi lang maporma, maganda pa siya. And it's really very nice to drive.
Gusto ko yung nakikita ko na gusto ko. And sakto, pagka tinitignan ko yung territory ko, even after a year, I still like it. Even makakita ko ng ibang magandang cars sa labas, I still like the cars.
Our plan is to have an outreach program. But what we are doing now is that meron kaming certain page or certain side of our group chats na kapag kailangan mo ng tulong, personal, business, or anything na sa tingin mo kailangan mo ng tulong with some of our Ford Territories members, meron kami ginagawa namin. Maraming naitutulong sa members.
It's really more of, yun nga, helping each other. Technically, that's the main essence of the community itself. There's no community itself kung walang tulungan. Kunyari, merong nasiraan, merong malapit, yung kapwa member will be there. O kaya we have some issues along the way, tapos may natatawagan kaagad sila. So it's, for me, yun yung pinaka-essence ng community. It's more of really building a family, not just a group itself.
Next Gen 4 Territory #1! You make